Ready, Claud?
Yeah, ready.
Backside, out there so deep. Alright. Claud. You feel like it's stuck, Claud. You feel like it's stuck. Claud, the idea to come over here side, because we want to come here side. You know, so anytime I follow you, but it always go wrong, my youth. Anytime I follow you and do nothing, dog. How may I get out this one now? Pull it up fast. 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 Now go here again, dog. So we're there for another magnet fishing. We're there Bag Walk, St. Catherine. This is the location. Rehoboth River. So hopefully we find something here, sir. This is one old bridge. So the main bridge over there, sir. And this is the old bridge. If we start on the side first, I'll start on the next side. On this side first, on this side which side? So there with the bucket.
Rock, paper, scissors, which side? Which side you pick? Pick that side, yeah.
No, me pick that side.
Pick that side. No, pick that side.
Ready?
Over there, say you pick. Ready?
Yeah. Alright, that side, yeah. So we're there at the Rehoboth Bridge, and this is the first shore. What may I do? Look, let them see over the stair.
Yeah.
We don't know where we're going to find this, but we're not going to want to throw the magnet. Think if we throw the split, then I'll shoot over here, sir.
Throw the split. Yeah.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Right.
Right.
Now, so. Oh boy, this not come off it. Oh boy. Yo, come try and take off this.
It's not a move, brother.
Yeah, I'm gonna try one more time. Here we go. Reach a gun already, no?
Reach a gun?
Yeah. I think that's a bit deep. I must see something. Alright.
Unless we can try to relocate over there, so.
Over there, side door?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I try that. Actually, look at the time I throw it down there.
Sure.
I can relocate.
Yeah.
Same thing. Alright, so flat bridge it is, because yes I don't have nothing.
Yeah. Oh wait, no one ladder that.
Where? Yeah. Oh, so if we walk down there so we can walk come across. Yeah, we can do that now. We'll find a spot for go. Watch a big fish there.
My dad a year bumbuckler fault.
Yo, can't cost up on the channel, my youth.
Sorry.
You must say.
If my dad a year fault, you know.
Alright.
Just dash for the GoPro and set it up nice so you get the view and jump in.
Alright. And nice water this is swimming not to, you know.
For you.
Why you can't swim like this?
But after people in there.
Look, over there I drop it, yeah? Alright. See that me have sent you. Bomba what's there? How was I come from? The nest not there, sir? Alright. Man, over there, cause what payment? Because someone in our pay them thing. I come in front of you right there, so.
Which one?
Over there, so.
I'm afraid a lizard in the dad. I don't know what they put them thing, you know.
When I region never have no support, no one of them closes. I don't want to have support underneath it.
Can't get no support, you know.
I take it down so I can walk. See that? Actually, easy cheesy. Give me a GoPro. easy cheesy thing. That time I move like a girl around this. See it there? Alright. Step. What? But if step on this, it could have killed them, the dog. Yeah, I hope I come back up. I hope I come back across. Alright, so this is the new, well, the same location, but this time will come under the bridge.
Yeah. Splash.
That's a deep.
That's a deep?
Yeah, I got a big stone there. I'll show over here, so now.
Alright.
Still a feel up.
Show out some more, man.
Shit.
Green.
No.
Rotted.
What's up?
You have to pry it that way there.
Oh, we gotta do that.
You have to pry it, so. That now move it though.
Oh, God.
Come here, let me try to take that.
Can't believe it. Again. I'm gonna know someone for the essay now.
Bombaras cleat. Hey! This can't come off now.
That's why I said for use the bamboo and push it the next way. Alright. Mad thing. Yeah, I'm a general. Let me see that.
Yeah.
I'm a general. A top general.
Yeah. Yeah.
Can get back to business, yes sir. Look at a big piece of iron here. What this I do, yes sir? If that out there, so you know. The says my go out there, you know.
I don't think it's out there. It's a piece of iron there.
What them iron do, yes sir? Yeah, I'm afraid of yes sir, my you. Fear enough for use, yes sir.
It drop by bottom?
Yeah.
I mean you can cheat it because some metal there, right? So
A bamboo that.
a bamboo that?
Yeah. A bamboo.
Throw it far out now. Alright.
What I come with it, you know? Wow!
How that though?
It's an underwater plant. Never seen one of them in the wild before. Nothing. Go somewhere else.
Alright.
Alright, it's a flat bridge over there, sir. So we can get her now. Alright, so I'm there at flat bridge and I'm gonna say what we can get her, sir. Car that talk about car in the water. I'm in the car. We can see things that we can't see in the car. on this. Beer, what am I name? Crawfish. Look on them. Alright, so we're at Flat Bridge now. Kinda scared. But no pain, no game though. I got an idea for come over here, sir, because we want to come here, sir. You ready? Yeah. Alright. Take a throw. Backside. Not that deep. Alright, so I pull though. Eh?
It stop?
Yeah. Can feel the gun.
What do you mean it's not that deep?
I don't have nothing. Not that deep, Claud. Nothing at all. I don't have nothing. Eh? That's right, eh?
Oh, no, no.
Ready, Claud?
Yeah, ready.
Backside, I want to so deep. Alright. Claud. You feel like it's stuck, Claud.
What?
You feel like it's stuck. Ah, no, good. Yeah, man, something magnetic down here, so, man. It has stick to something there, so. It's stuck.
No, no, man.
It's stuck. Come over here, sir. Walk over there, sir. You know, so anytime I'm following what I do, it always go wrong, my youth. Anytime I'm following I do nothing, dog. Anytime everywhere the man throw, someone throw it always stuck there. It. How may I get out this one now?
Yeah, type of carry and pull.
I don't have no time for that. Because I have to bring the car up on the bridge and then pull it. Type it and pull it. So I don't have no time for that. Oh God. Alright, I guess that's a wrap until our next time.
So who you get for good in there?
I guess that's a wrap until our next time, until we get unless we get somebody who can go in the water for me and take out the magnet.
So who you get for
If
good?
not, then I have to buy a new magnet.
Who you get for good?
So until we can afford a new magnet again, that's a wrap. Alright, so what I'm going to try though is I make Claud come over here so the rope, I will try to pull it from the direction here. So it go the opposite way. That way they maybe get loose, I will just pull it out. Don't pull it yet, you know? I said don't pull it yet, bring it all the way down here, so. I will try to pull it away there and see if it will get loose. And then, if yes, we try to pull it out as fast as possible. Alright, pull it now. Oh God. Look at we'll really lose it. Free? Alright. No, no pull it out there, Claud. Look, go right inside the edge. No, look. Go back up there, sir, and then pull it. Yeah, something stuck it. I feel a stone.
No, man, not a stone.
Iron?
Iron, a metal. Because when I pull it off,
Yeah.
I feel it yank back.
Oh, iron freeling. So we now do this again. Because I tell you something, feel like iron.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did it somehow.
Because Claud come but we can't pull out car.
So like quicksand there, now.
Quicksand?
Yeah. A regular car last night, man.
Alright, so pull it up fast from here, so. Don't come on. Door. Alright, go on now. Wait, over there, so you go? Alright. Alright, keep the tension point so it no wrap on nothing if it's wrap on nothing. Pull it up fast. 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 Alright. Mad thing. Now make it go back down this again. Ah.
$10.
If I $10. Father over yesterday, I now come back and say again. Not again. Now go yesterday again, dog. What's it $10? $10 we claim from
Something
the.
up on the other side too.
Oh, we find $20 with $20 rich today. You have to go spend. Look there. Something you down there free now. You see that?
Yeah.
Wait, I'm going there, son. Yo, Claud, carry it there.
Tell you.
Wait, it now focus.
Right now. Hold it up more.
I don't know if you can see that. You can see this.
Put it down
That's too bright in the light. Too bright. I put it here, sir. So I don't know if you can see that. But you can see the discoloration. Say on different, it up against a different metal. You see it?
Yeah.
So yeah, man, you really stop down there.
Yes,
Find $10.
I'll be a car there down there, man.
Me I wonder if I play stubborn and throw one more time, or
I want to go over that side of this time.
I'll go over that side there.
But
No,
the best thing, you know. Come on, no.
Wait, as a matter of fact, I don't have a chance it now. I have a chance that next time. And next time, maybe if I buy a smaller magnet, I come throw it so I get it. So if I lose it, that is it.
There won't be a next time. May I tell you?
Well, I got different location. Because we still find we find $10.
Fine, $20.
Find $20. So I go on a different location and try to find something from there. So. Alright, so we're the new location now. We're there at Portmore on Elsha Road. We're there at this spot where them say have crocodile. I'm going to check out the water first and see look if it makes sense. So I'm going to take out the magnet, or if it makes sense to me even throw the magnet in there. After that line of carrier pass. Them say crocodile there, so maybe we can see one. Yeah, so maybe we'll see one crocodile. Maybe we can throw a Claud in the water and see if we can bring up a crocodile. Anything at all, anything will work. Ready? Reach you going already? That's so shallow.
Very shallow.
May I drag it? What is? I pull it up and see something. You see?
Yeah.
Shallow, man. How about that? How about that, dog? How about that?
What?
You don't see that dog something there?
A piece of seaweed that died.
Something there, sir. Yeah. What that? What that?
No, you just lick this pan this.
No, what that down there?
No one piece of sitting, I don't know.
Alright, come look. So we'll find piece of sinker, fishing sinker people try to use that so. Well, a piece of nail what them use as sinker. The nail actually good, you know? Yeah. And something up on the line. You see it?
Yeah.
See it?
Yeah.
I throw it in my bucket. Alright. Alright, ready?
Yeah.
That's how come I get lame, dog.
Want to try over right there, sir?
Yeah. Nothing. I'm taking out my glasses and inspect the place some more. Now what I look too lame? I'm telling them. So I try one last spot. One last spot. And hopefully that spot they have something. Because yesterday I have nothing either. So I end the vlog right here. Why me I say vlog? Alright, so I end the video right there, sir, on the beach. Me and Claud there, so I do a photo shoot with Claud there, sir. So the video end right there, so basically. The next time, I go back downtown Kingston, I'm a show for find something.